Compound interest, annual compounding. Here we're going to be finding the principal. So we use this formula. Principal is amount divided by 1 plus I to the nth power. Basically this formula would P solve for. Very similar to what we did with simple interest. How much must you invest now to have $1 million in 50 years at 7% interest compounded annually? So if you're 20, you could invest a lump sum now, and when you're 70, if it earns 7% real growth, you'll be able to purchase $1 million worth of goods in today's dollars. That's what we're talking about. I'll give you the answer. It's $33,947.76. Not a lot of money. It's surprising. Of course, you have to wait 50 years, okay? By then, by the time you're 70 years old, you may be in a nursing home, so the money may go to somebody else, but that's a separate question. Well, first of all, state the formula. P equals A over 1 plus I to the n. Identify the variables. I'll identify them over here. A is $1 million. I is 0.07. N is 50. And then we're going to substitute. P is equal to A, which is 1 million, divided by, if you want, you can just go ahead and write that as 1.07 to the 50. That's what it's going to add to. And then calculate, well, it's going to be 1 million divided by 1.07 up caret 50 equals. And as we said before, that up caret key, that can be y to the x and whatever your calculator happens to use. A lot of Texas Instruments graphing calculators use the up caret. Some programming languages use the up caret. That's why calculators, I think, have adopted that. Spreadsheets use that. Do that calculation, you should end up with $33,900, almost $34,000. Not a lot. The power of time, that's the most powerful thing you have working for you. If you're young, you have time on your hands, and that's something that can work to your advantage. Investing for a long term. The money you put away from age 20 to 30 can sometimes be enough to retire on. You can invest from 20 to 30 and then coast for the rest of your life, and if you invest well, that can be a solid retirement. Of course, if you defer retirement, it works even more to your favor. 20 to 30 years from now, scientists predict 20 to 30 years from now, life expectancy will be 100 years. So that makes it even more important to provide for your retirement by putting aside savings. So, okay, that's all for this video.